We have 120 manufacturing facilities across the North American area, and we are experiencing tremendous talent drain in those facilities. And with that talent drain, we're losing tremendous amounts of knowledge and experience. We believe that AI and ML is going to be a pretty significant comparative advantage to replacing that knowledge and experience. We believe that data-driven decision-making is going to be instrumental in us being able to run our facilities, not only as well as we have in the past, but even better in the future. What's really hard is the change management. It's really getting the adoption, getting the demand signals coming out of our facilities from people that fundamentally have to change the way they work. And in the past, people have spent most of their time, 80% of their time, looking for problems, and 20% of their time actually addressing them. With the models that we have developed, particularly around asset reliability, we're actually able to give them specific alerts on a piece of equipment, whether there's a vibration anomaly, a temperature anomaly, but basically be able to point them to the things that are going to fail, either in the short term or the long term, and actually get them to work on the solution or the remediation rather than just looking for problems. Today, it's been flipped, and that's what's transformational about our AI and ML activities. In the facilities, they spend 80% of their time working on the solutions to remediate identified problems versus looking for problems. We believe AI and ML is going to help us do that, whether it's leveraging models that identify reliability issues or process optimization opportunities, to using computer vision to be able to identify safety or quality or production problems that we can address very quickly through an automated fashion. We're constantly looking for methods to improve that relationship of faster, better, cheaper, not only for more efficient use of resources, but to improve the lives of our customers. C3.ai has been very flexible in working with us to accommodate where we have data scientists or data engineers that are comfortable working in existing tool sets and either provided connectors or integrations that have allowed them to still work in the environment they're familiar with, but yet run those workloads within the C3 platform. I think the technology that's particularly unique within C3 starts with the data engineering piece. So the ability to ingest large amounts of data and map it to a common data schema or canonical model, I think is a particular advantage. I just think that in general, the culture and the aptitude and the passion that C3 personnel have is really by far some of the top we've ever experienced. Every project, whether there's an IT component or a data science component, you're usually breaking new ground, and you never necessarily know where you're going to end up when you finish. The resourcefulness, the flexibility, the ability to pivot has been demonstrated over and over again by the C3 folks.